Welcome to another episode. We are just about to get more bullish in this market and we are about to blow up just in Bitcoin terms first and then in altcoins. Just show you a few of the indicators about Bitcoin and see if the Uptober is here or is just a fake out. I'm going to give just a quick highlight on how the market is doing. We are expecting after this week to just see the market get that bullish momentum up to the upside, and we'll see that Bitcoin can reach another price target and get into the all-time highs and surpass it. And now, as always, I'm going to ask you please to give the thumbs up to this video. It really helps me a lot. If you like this content, just share it and subscribe for more video and content like this. Thank you for your support as always. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. And today we're going to see a few indicators, but before we do that, we're going to see how the Bitcoin and Ethereum dominance are in the market. We see that it's 56 and for Ethereum it's 13%. And we're going to see the fear and greed index just getting into the 65. Yesterday we were in the 48. So that's a big change right here. We are in the weekly chart. So we just need to wait into the end of the week to see where it closed. Since March, well, as we can see here, we see that Bitcoin has been in the bearish trend in the other side. And now it broke since last week and we have been keeping up. So we just need to keep an eye on it because when it bounced, this line right here is a sign of resistance or support. And now we have been holding it as support since September 11 of 2023. The next time it bounced, it was in July 1st. Third time, it was in September 2. And now we have been keeping the upper momentum. So yes, we just broke this bearish line. Let's hope to just keep it like that. And if it goes back to the 44, we just need to keep an eye on this line right here in the 44 for the RSI. This has been a very good support for Bitcoin price. And then now I'm going to show you a few of the other indicators that I see on Twitter. The 100 SMA has been a very good support for BTC. We can see that the first time was in March of 2023. The second time was in September 2023. And now we see that it has been bouncing 3 times from the 100 SMA. Once it was in August, then in September, now in October, it's going to bounce back right now, entering November. It has been forming a bull flag from March, and now it's breaking, printing this bullish candle that has been very bullish during Bitcoin cycles. And if it breaks, here we see that the magnets are dragging BTC upper momentum to the 98K price range. So talking about the doji candle that was last week printed, now we have to see if this other weekly candle is gonna just print a higher candle, way higher than the 67 that is the one that people are waiting for. Another indicator that I want to point out is the cycle boxes entering the cycle 5. That is the more parabolic of all the phases. And once it breaks and enters into this phase, we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to trade sideways or maybe get into the from the 8K to the 300K right here. Trader Target is giving us an indication of the cycle boxes that we know that now Bitcoin is entering into the most waiting parabolic phase that is going to be traded from the 80K to the 300K. Wow, imagine that. Definitely, I'm waiting for the 100K, and it's going to be a little volatility in there because it's a psychological number for people to just get some profits. We don't know, but remember that this is not financial advice, and you do you. But we are in very good times to get into the crypto market before the parabolic phase start, and we're seeing it right now. So I want to point out this. It's very important to just remind ourselves that BTC is just a limited asset. He points out that, well, we see the chart and it's very visual that 56% is just individuals. And now we are getting institutional attention to BTC. So the sky's the limit because BTC doesn't have a ceiling and we don't know how much they're going to pour into Bitcoin next year or all the next coming years. I really don't know if BTC is going to experience after this year the same bear market as always, like 80% down or 85% down, 75% down. I don't think so because now we have the institutions pouring money to BTC continuously because they want to accumulate them much as possible. We see here that the most amount of the Bitcoin out there is held by the individuals, and now they have to race each other to just get into Bitcoin and have like a financial institutions or instruments to pitch it to people that are not into crypto, like we see now in the ETFs. It's very interesting in times like this just to focus in the strongest assets, like is gas, but like is BTC, And obviously make a few bet and plays to get more cash to buy the cryptos that you really believe on. Remember, this is not financial advice. Nothing that I said in this channel, well, he needs to take it as financial advice, but that's what I'm doing with my money, and I'm sharing it with you guys here. So yeah, practically pack your bags if you really believe in cryptocurrency, if you want to have good gains, and well, yes, do your selling when the time comes, but don't completely go out of the market, because BTC and the crypto assets are here to stay. So after this, I want to thank you for your time. And if you like this kind of type of content, just share it and subscribe, hit the thumbs up so it can help me with the algorithm. Thank you for everybody that has been supportive on X and here on YouTube. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.